Siall seo, áte ealain an an ceann níor baile mór Glaschu a Gàidhlig. Ha snoch, ach chachövlo me. I don't love the West End of Glasgow. Bialum a bhí a mui scoilteach arsing Ghall, in a broad rural expanse, scoilteach arsing Ghall. Sca seo, do chuid, ha mi ionnsachadh, odd, ionnsachadh. Rutile, Elisa could get Ghall hanamsa. I'm a lowlander. She Ghall hanamsa. Ha mi Ghallta. I'm a lowlander or foreign even. Ghallta. But only from a Highland perspective. Shuch, Misha, Calum MacIlleathain. Curson? Or Chabaun Gaeltoch rukich mi ach tuv ille in tuig. Aye, do chuid ha mi Ghallta. A chanile gajiffer gosa.
Since skida seo, ha misha in Caraid, looking for, in Caraid, creachvich a hanig a gallopa sna dha-rìribh in the early 20s, sna dha-rìribh gin lína chai.
Aha, ha ma cheann uye fara. My destination is in sight. Ha ma cheann uye fara. Shin in Gurdwara. Ache kutmach an an behe gach siik. Ache far an biet a chien agus a Gàidhlig. Worshipping a Gàidhlig. Tukalach iengentach. Cheva joya gra. Ni clachan beke carn mór. A shin gemaf hier in seo.
Se ache crinnechi a han sa Gurdwara, agus han tuavis a dal tuvestein an ballachan seo. Ha surgit sing chaudari a dogam horstman koerst, ach musbrian midesh ha operakam di genu. Gach las an langer, shin in kitchen agus in talla, bier a gullige gevi agus gaiche. The langer is the name for the kitchen and the hall where food is prepared and eaten. Bisikich a gober gesur hollach, work voluntarily, a gober gesur hollach in seo. Van kitchen trang, ach ha mi an in schamer ha gemach na sochgere.
Hat in draste in chishmian levig, reading levig ivaris fat da law. Be in scripture, guru grant saibji a levig behoshach gejirich gunstat. Shin chavor mile gele tuliak. That's almost 1,500 pages. Mile gele tuliak.
Yef me mach barach mun tokalach iangen toch seo inishe. Time to find out more about this amazing building.
Fisker Master Shit.
Vaheguru Ji ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji ki Fateh. This is a Sikh salute which means the Khalsa belongs to God and victory is of the God.
It's a beautiful building. When was it built?
The Gurdwara was built in 2016. For the Sikh community, Gurdwara is very important. Gurdwara is open to every human, and if they follow the basic tradition, they shouldn't be carrying tobacco, alcohol, and they have to take the shoes off. Our Creator is saying. So that's why the Sikhs believe in one God, and the one God is the Creator for us all.
Han taumaun ersen bieg.
Thank you. Shit blasta. Jich mi kus agus bevalum suya in seo ach habarach riechkin.
Seo gatka. Shorsha je hapach fein yin. A kind of self-defense. Sapach fein yin. Femi to be lua let voik, fast of body, lua let voik, ach le inchin hochker. Calm mind, le inchin hochker. Ha japnit sing viri gatka fatvehe.
Within the religion, this is a form of art which is being originated from our ancestors. So we are carrying on forward so that this doesn't get extinguished. We try to teach everyone in the community, not in only our community, but we also welcome kids from different communities as well. This is one way of getting ourselves connected to our religion.
What a place! Apercro falche vla Rome. What a warm welcome. Apert gyro fáilte bhlá roan. Agus dúine le. Me bha mi gáilta I dolasteach, ha mi am Caraid tíon amach.